Ankle pads? They slipped?
Ankle pads. They call it knee pads.
Yeah. Get the slide.
Ankle
We put that on
pads.
camera.
They slide. They happen.
Put that in the video.
Hi.
Put that in the video.
How far does the hole go?
Very far.
Okay.
Very far. And it goes, you go until you can stand up. And then from there, there's like 3 options.
Okay.
So you can hunt around and find your way out, or I'm going to go to the other end and just wait there and I'll call. And if you hear me, you can follow my voice. Does that sound good?
Yeah,
All right. I figured it.
we're gonna go with you. Hermie, I'm gonna go with you.
Huh?
Go
Where was I?
We gonna go with you.
With me? I'm not going anywhere.
Go down there's like 3 passes.
That's the crawl space. Don't you want to go in the
Where's
crawl?
the layout? I'm ready. In the what?
The crawl. It's a belly crawl.
I'm not going into the crawl space.
Yeah.
I might get stuck.
It's a you'll fit. It's tight. It's tight, but you'll fit.
I know I might fit, but I'm done.
Okay.
I'm chill.
I'm trying to figure. Where am I?
Did it again? It's Thursday. Or it's Wednesday. You got
Today's Thursday. Thursday.
Pause.
Oh, it's Thursday.
It's Thursday.
I want to.
I hope they got it on camera too.
I know where I want to go. Okay, I got it.
Yo, that's too tight for me. We might as well go every week.
Okay, who's going down in the crawl?
Not me, bro. Yo, like I've done other stuff.
There were 5 people down there, including
That's a tight crawl. Where I'm going is just a belly crawl. I mean, not belly crawl, hands and knees. Is that okay?
Can we
Hands and
go
knees
out?
crawl?
Yeah, I just want to leave, bro. I'm done.
You're done? Okay. I'm just going to get them out the other side, and then we're done.
Wait,
Okay.
can they leave that way too?
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Yeah, that's sort of the way out.
I'm really lost. Now they said we're missing dinner. Are you missing dinner? That's what they said.
Who said that?
We're missing dinner so we can be cooked.
Okay, guys.
That's what they get some anchovy pizza.
I'm going to go.
Allen.
We're going to go this way. I was going to go that way, but I think I'm going to go this way.
Yo, how do you not know this, bro? Oh my! I thought you were the expert.
Well, the thing is that I have so many choices to make.
Oh, there's a bunch of ways you can exit.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you.
Is it what?
What?
Nah.
We're going with Unc.
Oh wait, they're coming back.
I'm going with Unc. I'm going with Unc.
No wait, they're coming back.
Wait. Let's just wait right here.
No, I'm going with Unc.
Tell Unc.
How'd they wind up here? What?
No, wait for me. Yo, Unc.
Damn.
Be right here. Stop saying my name.
Yeah, you're not king.
No. We're leaving.
Oh no.
So,
Yo, this is just
I really don't want to die in the cave.
yo, who just fingered my butt? Me.
Pause. You know what? This one that.
Yo, what? I'm not even behind you. It's not me.
Oops, sorry.
Yo, you bum.
It's this guy.
Yo, you just fingered you though. Like,
I'm behind you.
wow, you're fingering people?
I'm behind you. How can I do it? He's spraying me.
Can you get that? Oh, jeez. Make it look too easy.
Here I come on.
Why are you calling him Unc?
Because he is on.
His name is GP.
Yo, Isaac, move.
But there's nowhere to go.
Go up.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to go. Like, I gotta wait for this dude, man. Did you just make a monkey sound? You black. Like, why you grabbing my butt, bro?
Help me up.
Hell no.
I'll never do it again.
That's what you get for grabbing my butt, bro.
It wasn't actually me.
I snuck out.
That hurt.
No. My head.
Okay, they're going to come out that hole down there.
Yo, I'm lost, bro. How big is this cave?